Hi my loves, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I achieved the look you saw on my thumbnail. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So first of all, I'm just lining my eyebrow with my eyeliner, and then I'm just going to shade it in. I'm not drawing the eyeliner and the eyebrow, I'm just shading it all the way through. Now next I'm going to go in with my highlighter contour palette, and I'm going to be going in with the shade chocolate and white, and that's what I'm going to be using for my underbrows. I'm just concealing my eyebrows and then spreading it out on my lids too. So up next I'm going to be going in with this my beautiful eyeshadow palette. I don't even know what it's called, I just bought it that way. Then I'm going in with this shade of red on my eyelid, and then I'm just going to brush it out on my crease and then blend it out before going in deep again on my eyelid, just to give it a defined color. Then I'm going to be going in with this golden color just to apply that on my inner tear dots. Up next is my eyeliner. I'm just going to use that to go around my eyes, you know the drill, the normal thing. And if you don't know how to do this, then I'm going to make a video on how to do this properly, because I'm not going to be using lashes on this. I'm not going to be using false lashes on this, so I'm just going to come out my natural lashes and then just make it look good. Okay, so at this point I'm not using anything on my face because I don't like using primer and all of that stuff. I react to it too, so I'm just cleaning up my face with my hands, and I'm going in with my Tara foundation. I'll just spread that around my face and then just blend it out. Then I'm going to be going in with this my concealer palette. I'm going to be using chocolate. Yeah, I think that's chocolate. That's what I'm going to be using on my eye, underlid, my nose bridge, you know, and every other part that I'm supposed to be highlighting too. Then I got that palette from Grwm some time ago, but it actually lasted for me and it lasted very well. So it's actually a good and a nice product. So for the powder, I'm going to be using my Usher Cosmetics powder. It has different shades and different colors, so that's what I'm going to be using. And I'm going to be going in with the lighter color, you know, just to highlight the part of my face that I contoured, and then I'll be going in with a darker shade too, just to get my cheekbones and the rest. So I'm also going to be applying that around my forehead, you know, close to my eyebrow and the rest, because I have a broad forehead, so I want to make it look a bit smaller. So I want to use that. The darker shade is going to trim it a little bit and then give it a little like a smaller look. I'm going to apply that also on my nose bridge, you know, just to define the nose bridge, and then I'm gonna connect that directly to under my eyebrow, just to make it look natural and neat all through. So that's why I'm doing that. Up next is my bronzer. I don't even know where I even got this thing from, seriously. I'm going to be using this my painting brush. I so much love this brush. Just going to be using that, you know, just give that smile, and then I'll just go ahead and then just paint that on my cheek just to define it and to give it that glow, you know. Just have to rub it in properly, because some people do just place it that like that and to just come out like one thing. I don't even know. So I don't want to do it that way. I'll just apply this on my eyebrow, my brow bone, and then on my tear duct too, just to define it and give it that glowing look. So what I'm going to do here right now is very funny. I'm using my powder brush and I'm rubbing that around my lips just to make it, I don't know, because if I use nude lipsticks it made my lips look bigger. So I don't know if I'm the only person. Please, if you have the same challenge, just comment it down below this video, and then let me know if it's just me or the other people who feel the same way. So I use that just to make my lips look a little bit, you know, smaller and all of that. Then I'm just going with normal lip gloss and my eyeliner. Okay, so to set my face, I'm just going to be using water. What's inside this container is just water. Seriously, it's nothing but water. I don't use setting spray. I don't use any of that. My skin is very sensitive, so I react to most of those things. So I use normal water, and the water helps me a lot. Seriously, it sets my face and I feel very much comfortable. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Comment below if you love this video and also what you think I should post after this, and I'll see you guys on my next video. And oh, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel and also press my post notification button so that anytime I upload a new video you'll be the first and also to know about it. Okay, bye.